Well, now that we're in the woods, ew, mosquitoes. Sorry, guys. Sorry, that was stupid. I just hate the thought of mosquitoes on me. Ew. Anyways, oh my gosh. Ew, look over there. Ew, what is that? I don't know, and I don't want to know. That is disgusting. Ew. Hey, look. Those are rare flowers. They're called lady slippers. No one's allowed to pick them because they're so rare. Wow, that's awesome. Well, now that we're, ew, bugs, ew. Now that we're, die, mosquitoes, die. Should have brought bug spray, or at least put it on. Whatever. Well, let's see. Uh-oh. I totally forgot something. What? A fire starter. Well, we better, ew. Stick with the food we've got. I'm so hungry. All right, I'll have a banana, you'll have a muffin. And we'll save the rest of the food for later. Ew! Go away, mosquito! No one likes you. You know what? I'm so hungry, though. I'll just eat a little more than that. No. Okay, fine. I'll get more food, though. Hey, let's see if we can call anyone. No. Ew, mosquitoes. There's no connection. Oh, shucks. Hey, look. My puppy brought me back a rock. Hey. Let's use the rock and a stick to make a fire. Finally, fire. Let's get out of here. Yeah, you're right. This is... Wait a minute. We're not lost, are we? Oh, no, we're not lost. We're just temporarily misplaced. You got us lost? You didn't bring a map? No, I didn't. But that's all right. We're not going to need a map. Yeah, we are. Get camp packed up. We're out of here. Yeah, we are out of here, but how are we going to get back home if we're lost? Excuse me. We'll find something, Smarty Pants. You're the one who brought us here. You at least should know where to go. No, I don't. We're lost. If I knew where to go, then we wouldn't be lost. You're useless. No, I'm not. You're the useless one. No, I'm not useless. Come on. I found our way out. Alright, good idea. Let's at least try to find the path. And maybe we'll find our way back. But which way is back home? I don't know, but we're going to have to find that out. Oh, goodness. See, this is all your fault. It really is. It's not my fault exactly. It's your fault too. You could have brought a map. You didn't even bring anything. You could have used that space to buy a map of the forest. I'm the one who brought everything. Yeah, well, whatever. Hey guys, I think we found the path. That's amazing. This way. Alright, I'm gonna trust you on this. Oh, you can trust me. Come on, let's run! Oh, mosquitoes, they're disgusting. Run! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, is that right? Oh, I don't mind. I won't either if I were you. I'm never doing it with myself anymore. Not unless Mom's with us. have asked Mom to come. She would have been able to help us. Come on. Let's go back inside Grandpa's house. Okay. Oh my goodness. The woods are full of mosquitoes. You bet they are. Oh my God. Mosquito hit Mom on the bum. Oh. Ew, and then, ew. Oh, the mosquitoes everywhere. It must be from the river. Open. Well, looks like we're home. Hope you liked the video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.